Good morning to the student of 9th class. I again appeared before all of you to take a new topic of lesson 2nd in economics, people as resources. I have described earlier about the good quality of population should be need for the development of countries' economy. Today I will explain about the health. Health plays an important role in the work of economy. Either the people who do their work in primary sector, secondary sector or tertiary sector also. In primary sectors, if the farmer do not possesses a good health, they do not increase work of hour in their field. On the other side, we see that many of the people that they work in secondary sectors as industries. If the people skilled labor as well as unskilled labor, they do not possesses a good health, they do not increase the work of hour in the secondary sectors. The person who helps to increase the growth rate of economy as well as in service sector also, in government as well as private sector. We see today good health is need to the people. It is need to increase the immunity power of the people, and then they struggle, they fight in against of disease. According to the book, we see that increase in life expectancies and improvement in child care is useful accessing in future progress of the countries. Increase in longevity of the life is an indicator of a good quality of marked by self-confidence. Reduction in the infant mortalities in different states in our countries. Protection the child from the infections, ensuring nutrition along with mother and child care. Today you are seeing that the health sector is also need in our countries for checking by the doctor in different health centers. The children in queue for health checkup. Some of the questions that has been given: what is the percentage increase dispensaries from 1951 to 2011, and what is the percentage of increase in the doctors and nursing personnel from 1951 to 2011. I will describe about, and I want to show how many are there people that they engage from 1951 to 1981 as well as 2001 and 2010. Health infrastructures of over the years. SC is sub-centers, PSC primary health centers as well as CHC. CSC stands for the community health centers. You see, according to the census 1951, there are 725 sub-center, primary health center and community health centers. It has increased from 1951 to 1981. Their number has been increased 50,000, 57,316, and it has also increased in 2001 1,63,118, and it has been also increased from 2001 to 2010 1,75,277. Another you see, according to the health infrastructures, dispensaries and hospitals, you see in 1951 the number of dispensaries and hospital in our country is 9,209. It has been increased from 1951 to 1981 to 23,555, and it has been also increased from 1918 to 2001 43,322, and next in 2010 28,472 also. Beds in our countries in hospitals in 1951 1,17,191. It has been increased in 1981 5,69,495, and it has been also increased from 1981 to 2001 8,70,161, and it has been increased from 2001 to 2010 5,76,793. Doctors, apologies. The number of doctors in our countries 61,800 in 1951. It has been increased gradually from 1981, 2001 and 2010 8,16,620. Nursing personals in you see in 1951 18,554. It has been increased gradually, and it has come on 2010 1 crores 702,555 in 2010, according to the source of National Health Profit 2010, Minister of Health, Families Welfare. Do you think increase in number of doctors, nurse and educated for India? If not, why? It is need in our country. There should be increased the primary health center, sub center, and when community health center also bed doctors. It has been increased in our countries for looking after as well as treating the patients, so that they could possess a good health. That health also helps in the progress of our countries. It also helps in increase of economic development. So there are many places in India which do not have basic facility, just as like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, 81 out of 181 medical college. On the other hand, state like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh has a poor health incidence, a few medical colleges. So government has also taken care about the increase the number of health centers, dispensaries, hospitals, doctors, the numbers of doctors also, and nursing personnel beds also. Thank you.